What's up, everybody? I'm Dom Knighton, third grade teacher at Wilcox Elementary School here in Holt, Michigan, and I'm super excited to be joined with you right now because I have the world-famous, award-winning, best-selling author, Mr. Kwame Alexander. What's up, sir?
What's happening? It's so good to be here.
We're excited to have you here.
You bringing the heat.
Kwame, you got us really excited here in Michigan because our Holt Public Schools Equity and Access Team, also known as HEAT, we're hosting the first ever Capital Region K-12 virtual assembly in March for March's Reading Month.
That's what's up. Are you all reading the same books?
Yes, sir. Yeah, when we're pushing out your Undefeated right now.
Undefeated is like my love letter to America. How we got here, how we not only survive, but how we thrive. I wrote it for my daughter to show her how we came from Africans being kidnapped and enslaved to Barack Obama as president. And then, of course, my idol, my hero, Muhammad Ali. Most of us, Dom, don't know about Ali as a kid. So I wanted to write his story as a 10, as 11, as a 12-year-old and show you how he became the greatest. People ask me why I write. I write because I'm inspired by kids. I'm inspired when a kid reads one of my books and says, man, I never read before, and now I can't wait to pick up another book. The language, the swag, the joy, the innocence, the power that young people have. Their voices. I'm inspired by their voices.
One thing I want to ask, just to prepare our viewers, because not only are you going to be there, Kwame, we're also going to have another world-famous best-selling author, Miss Nicki Grimes. Are there any tips or anything that you want to tell our audience and our viewers to kind of get them ready for what y'all are going to be bringing on Thursday, March 4th?
It's no tips. I'm not giving y'all no hints.
Okay.
Y'all just got to show up, and we're going to be bringing it. We're going to be talking, answering questions, reading poems from our books like this one, introducing me. The name's Cassandra Clay, and I'm gearing to fight. My next foe may bark, but I'm sure gonna bite. If he comes in grinning like he's having fun, I'll wipe off that smile and beat him in one. If he tries to stick me like Elmer's glue, I'll turn up the heat and sting him in two. Tell all your friends, Don, best bet on me, because ain't no way he's lasting for 3.
I love it. I love it. Now, real quick, I got to give a shout out to some of our collaborators here. The entire Capital Area District Library System, all the school buildings in my district, various local organizations like Spark Riders and Mid-Michigan Good Trouble Coalition, and shout out to them because that's my crew, and 6 other public school districts. I mean, Kwame, this thing is going to be popping, man. But I want to make sure that our readers and our listeners get our hands on your books, which I got to give another plug to DetroitBookCity.com, because right now, till the end of March, they can get your books 20% off.
Discounts are good. And you know what? Y'all can also go to the library and check them out.
Amen, amen. Again, this is an honor just to share this space with you right now, sir. And I'm going to be looking forward to Thursday, March 4th.
Everybody get ready, get excited. Nicki Grimes and I are going to come. We're going to talk. We're going to perform. We're going to engage. We're going to answer questions. We're going to have a good time, y'all, because reading and writing are cool and fun, and we are the coolest, funnest people to bring that to you.
1:15 to 2:15 p.m., and then we're going to get this thing popping, man, for sure.
Thank you so much.